So if you are using or you plan on using WhatsApp API for reaching out to people, contacting existing customers, or doing cold outreach to convert these people into customers in the future, basically, if you're planning on using this beautiful, lovely thing known as WhatsApp API, you might have heard of the word templates, you maybe have heard me mention or someone else mention the word, and you might be wondering, what exactly is this? I know it seems really freaking complicated because when I started using this, it was genuinely like very freaking complicated, at least for me. But I promise it's actually much easier than it seems like. Like it seems like this massive, overwhelming, complicated thing, but when you actually figure it out, it's not that difficult. So if you're using WhatsApp API, you cannot send out any random message to any stranger. So if you're using like your normal phone, if you're using like WhatsApp on your phone, you can text anything to anyone. Like literally you can write like just pick up your phone, start typing shit on the keyboard, and you can send it to any person available on WhatsApp in any corner of the world. But with WhatsApp API, you obviously cannot do it. You might be wondering why, Somil. This is just to ensure that WhatsApp users aren't spammed or sent stuff not suitable for the platform. How would you feel using WhatsApp if every single day you were receiving random marketing messages which are extremely spammy, you absolutely hate them, and at the same time they're sending you like suspicious links saying that yeah, click this link to make $1 billion in next 3 minutes or something. Obviously your WhatsApp usage experience won't be very nice. And if everyone is having a terrible experience using WhatsApp, they'll stop using WhatsApp. And if people are not using WhatsApp, then businesses won't require WhatsApp API in the first place because there's no customers. Like, just try to understand like how does Meta make money? How does Zuckerberg make money? Zuckerberg makes money by having a massive audience on all his platforms, billions of users on Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. And then he comes to us as business owners. He tells us all the people who you want to reach out to contact, they're present on this platform. You can pay me some money to put your product and your offering in front of them, and you make more money than what you pay me. That's how Meta makes money as a company. And obviously, if we're like sending out random messages which is causing Meta to lose customers and users, which is the exact thing, which is the secret behind them making like hundreds and billions of dollars every single month and year, then obviously they're gonna be unhappy and they're gonna be like, yeah, bro, like stop sending this shit out to people. So that's why you have to use templates and you cannot use like random messages which you can blast out to a billion freaking people without getting them verified from Meta. So what Meta requires us to do is there are no limits on how many messages we can send or what we can say. Obviously, you cannot be telling people, yeah, like click this link to join ISIS or something. But if you want to send a message to people, we first have to tell Meta that this is the message which we plan on sending to these people, and then Meta is going to use number one AI, and if AI is unable to see if the message is safe or not, then a real freaking human being to see if this message is good enough for people who are using WhatsApp to receive. And yeah, we just have to get the message approved from Meta. We tell them this is the message which we have, which we want to send out to our potential customers and everything. And once they see it, if the AI thinks it's good enough, then it's approved instantly. If AI is unable to see if this message is good or not, then a human being from Meta analyzes the message, and if he or she thinks that the message is good, the template is approved, and then we can use that message to reach out to like anyone. Then it's not a problem. But before sending a message, we have to just get it verified and approved from Meta once. Once it's done, absolutely no problems. Now this message, which we're going to get verified from Meta, is known as a template. As simple as that. And some things you might have some questions about templates and everything. We can create a template with the message which you want to send out to users, send it for approval, and once it is approved, we can we can use it to contact customers. So just the thing, like the message which you want to eventually send out to people, we call it a template. We write out the exact message which you want to send out, and then we send it to Meta for approval. Like in 99% of the cases, like the AI usually just goes through it automatically, and in 30 seconds the templates are approved. But if your templates are a bit complex and AI is unable to see if this template or the message you're trying to send out is safe to be sent to users of WhatsApp, then it might take up to 24 hours as well. And yeah, once it is approved, we can use the message to contact our customers. That's all you need to know about templates. Templates are basically messages which you want to send out to our customers or people, which we first get approved from Meta so that they can see if this is safe to be sent on the platform or not. That's all you have to do. You have to get a template verified and approved only once, and after that, you can use it forever. So it won't be an issue like every single time you send a message, you have to get it approved or something. You can create unlimited templates, and using every single template you can, like when you're sending out a message, you can choose which template you want to use. You can create unlimited of them, and with any single template you can send unlimited messages from them, obviously within your sending limits. And this is a document from Meta which tells you how many messages you can send depending on your account. So when you create like a new WhatsApp API account in SailGen or any platform you're using, you're allowed to have like 250 conversations, so you can reach out to 250 people a day. And soon it can be increased to 1,000 messages, then 10,000, then 100,000, and eventually unlimited number of conversations. So yeah, that's all you have to do. If like you have like a template approved, you can reach out to as many people as you currently can based on the sending limits, and yeah, you can create unlimited templates. So hope this explains, and in the next video I'll show you how you can literally get your first template approved from Meta. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, just reply to this post in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you, respond to your queries. Take care, man. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead. Bye bye.